guys, welcome to ProWebTips.com. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to install cPanel in any cloud. I hope you all know what is cPanel and cPanel how it works. If you don't know, so I'm gonna tell you that cPanel is a hosting panel. There you can host your domain, multiple domain. You can create your webmail, etc. You can manage your PHP. It mostly is a cPanel is for web hosting. So you can install in any cloud services. So I am going to use Vulture Cloud for this tutorial. Okay, so first we are going to click the plus sign for new deployment. Okay, then select cloud compute and location. After that, we are going to select application. You can also install through a operating system. Then you can install cPanel separately. But we are going to install a pre-configured application. Okay, you can see there. So we are going to deploy now. So first we select the application, then we are going to select the server size. Okay, we are going to select this one because this one is cost effective. And next we are going to select IPv6. Going to label the host name. So I am going to label it cPanel. Okay, now deploy. It will take some time. You can also install as same as this process in other server cloud like Google Cloud. You can see there that is the application you can directly launch from here. Just click launch. Also in AWS, the same as in Google Cloud. Install, and also you can install in Microsoft Azure. You can select the storage and you can see our installation is complete. Now we are going to log in our cPanel dashboard. So first we are going to click here for credential. So you can see there is the WHM URL. So first we are going to copy this address and paste here. And now we are going to copy our password and username is root. Password and now click login. So we are successfully logged in. Okay, that is the post process of our installation. So we are going to exit all. Okay, we are going to enter our email address, cloud dashboard, and DNS. We are going to create our DNS. So click to DNS and add domain. Okay. This is our IP address. You can see there is the name server. Okay, we are going to copy this, paste here. Second one will be here. Okay, and finish. Okay, we are getting an update. You can also install the update if you want. So now uh, you can create new account for hosting services, or you can, if you in a business, you can add packages and you can sell your hosting services. So like we are going to host our own domain, so we are going to create a new account. Okay, we are going to put the domain name here. it is all things and create. Display. The account is created, so you can see there is cPanel login panel, or we can also log in through a specific IP address or login. So if I go and click here, there it is, our cPanel. Application installer. So you can now install WordPress or any application we want. So there is our cPanel dashboard. Okay, and you can see now there it is, Softaculous app installer. So we are going to click here, and now you can see that it is many applications. And